Now I have some resin left, so I'm going to use it up very quickly while I babysitting the others. So we are going to go with clear. And we may not have enough. So yeah, I wonder if the resin gods are going to be kind to us again. Okay, come on, Sharon, time to go to work. And then just whatever clear is left, put that in. What I am going to do though is just put my stick in. Try and get around the edges for bubbles. Hopefully I'll have a better result than last time. And I'm just going to swirl it around. Touch it, leave it. Cool. I'll show you when these are all cured. Hi, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. It is review time. Now, this was one that you probably didn't see too close up. I'd got leftover. I had thrown most clear in, dabbed a bit of black, a bit of white, swirled it around, and then just hoped the resin gods were going to be kind. On the back, it sort of created this little pansy flower, which was really cool. But then when I took it out, boy, was I surprised. I received a beautiful gift from the resin gods, which was depth, simplicity, but interest. And it definitely turned into, I think, something worthwhile. We will take you up for a close-up so you get to see all those effects. But I do love the fact that this was, again, originally a coaster, but a lot of air bubbles. My air bubble problem on the last two have been because I've been rushing and I've just been trying to get it in there, short for me going to it, but short on time for it curing. And I didn't take my time to make sure the bubbles were out properly. Having said that, I then come in and domed it. And you can still use this as a coaster if you prefer, but think about your heat resistant resin, or think about how you want to market them. I only got a single one. Normally I do them in pairs if they're coasters, but single piece of art that can stand in an easel, or you can add the little magnet to the back. Well, I wouldn't want that to happen to this because it's interesting at the back and the front. Or you can use it as a coaster, but again, think about the resin that you're using for heat resistant. But less is more with resin, if you want to create an effect like this, and adding it right as it is going off and curing will hold its shape, give you some beautiful results. And there's some angelic little bits, but there's also some really bold bits in there. But even the back, look at that black and white pansy. It's beautiful. Anyway, I'm Sharon, I'm digressing. Thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. Let's bring you in for a close-up so you can take a look at the detail on this closer. See you on the next video. Let's see if I can come and bring you in and get you to see some of the detail in this piece. Because there's glitter, it tends to focus on that, but I'm hoping you can see some of that soft lacing and blending, but then some of the very harsh bits of resin in there. I'll tilt it. See just little spikes of it there, but look at that pansy. It's all just flattened out, but then it's kept crawling. Ooh. See, very little that's dropped to the top. Oh, I'm in love with this. I'm definitely going to have a go at doing this, and less is definitely more. But you definitely have that swirl where it's like the yin and the yang. Strength and softness, light and dark. Love it. Anyway, if you are inspired by any of my art or processes and you have a go at doing them yourself, please remember to tag me in the video so I can pop over and have a look at how you've interpreted this and how your pieces have turned out. I'd love to celebrate that with you. But I'm going to see you on the next video. Let's see if I stand this over it. You get to see that delicateness there and that glitter. Stunning. Anyway, pop back and see me on the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day. And remember to never give up. And keep using any bit of leftover resin you've got. Till next time.